Talking about, and that's been on our radar too here over the past several days. Winter storm watch in play for central portions of the state. We'll see if they expand that out as a winter storm warning. We're already starting to see that filter in just west of the state into western portions of Illinois. So those are those pinks there. All of the state of Iowa included in that, up near Minnesota, and then most of Missouri right now under a winter storm warning. Winter storm watch, though, still in play for most of the state of Indiana, up near Michigan, far eastern portions of Wisconsin and Illinois. You are included in that watch as well. We have snow developing up near the northern plain states. We'll eventually start to see that winter-like weather arrive as we head through the day tomorrow. So Thursday's when we really start to see that system approach the state. First starting off as rain early on tomorrow, and then eventually we'll see it transition into snow. And we could see periods of heavy snow with this late Thursday through the early half of the morning on Friday. And then by Friday morning, Friday afternoon, we'll start to see that actively falling snow come to an end. The brutal cold is going to be the big story alongside gusty wind conditions. We could be talking wind gusts around 50 miles per hour to round out the work week. That's going to continue to remain in the forecast Saturday. Still bitter cold, though, as we look ahead into your holiday weekend. Here's our Futurecast model timing that out today. Temperatures should warm into the 40s by around Wednesday evening, still hovering in the upper 30s, mostly cloudy skies. Here's that rain to start off early tomorrow. This is our picture by 8 o'clock early Thursday. Spotty light shower chances. There might be that light wintry mix also mixing in from time to time. And then you notice that snow out near Illinois by 2:30, 3 o'clock. That should be approaching our westernmost communities by around mid-afternoon. By, say, 5, 6 o'clock, all bets are off, and we could see that potential for that changeover with rapidly falling temperatures right behind that. So notice here, even by around, say, 3, 4 o'clock, we're hovering in the 40s. West of us, they're already in the 20s. We'll see it transition over to snow very, very quickly. So anything that has any liquid precip on it, some wet roadways, potentially icy as we head through late Thursday, covered up by snow, makes for really dangerous traveling conditions as early as 7 o'clock Thursday. That's going to continue overnight. And then notice just how cold it gets early Friday morning. These are our air temperatures, sub-zero. We're looking at anywhere between 3 to 6 inches from Indianapolis up near Lafayette and Kokomo. So not necessarily huge snowfall totals, but you don't need a lot. And there's a lot of factors playing into our forecast over the next several days. 6 to 8 inches up near northwest Indiana, a bit closer to the lake. 8 inches to around a foot just south of I-70, around 2 to 3 inches. And then to follow that, these are our feel-like temperatures early Friday morning. Anywhere between 25 to 30, and in some extreme cases, 35 degrees below zero. So it is going to be brutally cold with high temperatures, only managing to warm to 2 degrees Friday afternoon. So it is going to be a cold end to your work week here. 25 degrees in Indianapolis right now. Most of us are at least settling into the upper 20s to lower 30s, and we'll see a mostly cloudy sky with our high temps today in the lower 40s. I have about 42 degrees here in Indianapolis with lows tonight in the lower 30s. That brutal cold is going to continue through your holiday weekend. 9 Saturday with maybe a few flurries. And then by Sunday, we're topping out in the lower teens. Our Peterman Brothers Heating and Cooling extended forecast shows a quiet Christmas day, 12 for a high with a mix of sun and clouds. Notice here, though, as we round out your work week heading into this holiday weekend, we are sub-zero to start off our mornings here. And then early next week, we'll finally start to trend a little warmer. 24 on Monday with a few snow showers for Monday Night Football. Tuesday, 29, and we're in the mid-30s by this time